Okay, Ray's got that first one up. He's going to move his bamboo and reset it. He will put another sheet in. We'll see. Where'd the big guy go?
Feet, honey, feet.
Don't say that on camera. Alright, we'll refilm when Ray gets that set over so we can see exactly what he's going to do next, because he's going to do some of that light. Okay, Ray's going to put a fluorescent light up here. So this light will come down. Only the wire will come through, but he's got to kind of cut a hole in the flyboard and get it fixed and set up for the fluorescent light. At least the wire has got to come through anyway. So for right now, there's not going to be another sheet put up until he gets this done. So I'm really interested in seeing how he's gonna move this bamboo over. I think he can do it. I think that bamboo's long enough to go all the way across, but we're gonna find out. Anyway, this is what's going on right now. We gotta wait until he cuts one more, for the hole, is what I'm saying, for the fluorescent light. So I'm not a carpenter, so I'm just trying to explain this the best I can. But that sheet looks really good. Take the bamboo down. You can see that is high quality work. Working with the bamboo and stuff. Okay, the bamboo is not long enough to reach all the way to the wall. I'm going to angle this thing in here so it's long enough to reach all the way across the flyboard, but yet long enough to catch right there where it will be sturdy. Flyboard too. That one going across there, as you can see. Ooh, barely made it. All right. Well, that's good. It angled across. That's good. Ooh. I gotta get right there where you're at. Now let me see you, bro. I got it. Hold it up with the broom.
Just let me, because you're
Okay. Okay. We're going to put one more brace up. We got one here, one there. I think he'll put one on the end down there. And, I think that'll do it. Where he can get started on his second sheet. And, yeah. There he goes.
It's good.
Okay. Is he going to try to hold it with just two? Lord. I hope my camera's doing right here. I'm kind of playing it. Yeah. We'll come back after this plane down and everything. Okay, getting the other sheet put in place now. You can see you've got the bamboo strips across it. I thought he was going to put the holes in it first, but I don't think that's the way he's thinking, so. Yeah. All right, you can see the flyboard is up there. Slow process. I'll again in a few minutes. Okay, well, you seal in this part so they stick it together, it'll seal. We'll leave this just a minute. We'll be putting that other sheet back in there. My goodness, that's tough. It's hard to get straight like that. But he did it. He got it straight. Alright, this sheet will go up. Now we'll get a little more film.